Hey guys, Jenny Strebe here, also known as Confessions of a Hairstylist, and I'm going to show you guys how to utilize the Dyson Corrale flat iron. This thing is amazing, and can you see this? It's cordless. I'm going to show you how to use it and create this gorgeous up style. Let's get started. We're just going to unlock it here, so slide that up. We're going to open it up. Now we're going to actually press on. I love how it's digital. You can tell that the battery is fully charged. Then we're going to just go ahead and hit the plus sign. We're just going to watch it heat up now. Once you get the check, we are ready to rock and roll. We're going to do some flat iron curls. Go away from the face. What I love about this flat iron that it's actually flexible plates. So we're going to clamp down and kind of glide the hair through, grabbing the tips of the hair and then pulling it back. Do the same thing kind of all over. What I love about flat iron curls is that it gives like kind of an updo, like a modern take, because the hair isn't as curly. When I create my flat iron curls, I like to take random sections, not too big, not too little, but kind of a variety of sizes to really give that erratic texture, especially for the updo we're creating today. The battery actually lasts for 30 whole minutes. Now that I've just finished curling her hair with the Dyson Corrale flat iron, I'm gonna go ahead and plug it back in for later and lock it, and it automatically turns off. I'm gonna add a little bit of shine spray in this style and then brush out these curls. What I love about it too is that I feel like the Dyson Corrale didn't actually collapse her hair. It actually has a lot of volume in it still. We're going to gather all the hair in the back at the nape of the neck. I'm going to pull some hair out around the face. Using my fingers, I'm just going to brush through it, directing the hair at the nape of the neck. We're going to create a low ponytail before we get started with our style. Gather and secure with a hair elastic. Okay, before getting started with our little updo, we're going to hold on to the base of the ponytail. We're going to use some flexible hold air spray in there, and then we're going to take 1/4 inch sections and pinch and pull it up to really pop up some volume. This is also going to create an erratic texture. Now we're going to do a topsy tail technique. Yes, I said topsy tail. It's kind of an older technique, but we're going to create a beautiful updo with it, and it's so simple. So we're just creating a gap through it, slitting the hair in half on top of the hair elastic. We're going to pull the hair through, but we're not going to pull all the way through. So we're going to pull it through. You can see at the bottom here. It's right here. We're going to secure it with a bobby pin before we let these hairs kind of down. And this hair is just going to go under this roll. So we're going to clip it away, and then we're going to utilize some bobby pins. Take our thumb in the roll, take a bobby pin here, and where our thumb is where we're going to slide the bobby pin. We're going to do a couple of those because she has pretty thick hair. now we're just gonna release that clip. Take the ends of these and just kind of tuck them in. Depending on the client's hair too, they might have longer hair or shorter, but you can kind of I would personalize it how you see fit. So we're gonna take a little bit of hairspray and then some more bobby pins. And you can let these pieces down too if you'd like, but I'm gonna take some of the longer pieces and then kind of twist the ends with our bobby pin, and then we're gonna press it right into that base. All right, now we're just gonna take the Dyson and just do a little detailing now, add a little bit more bend right here, but I want this little piece right here to be a little straighter, this piece too, just to give it that modern flair. Now that it's cordless, I can literally just go on the other side here, which is really fantastic. Do the same thing on this side, straighten that. And that is about it. Just gonna detail it out. All right, that's about it. Thank you so much. And I'm obsessing over the Dyson Corrale, especially that it's cordless. I'll see you guys soon.